So the item that kind of got this whole thing started for us, it was led to us from a furniture company. They came to us about 1.5 years ago, and they handed me a rough sketch of a piece of hardware, and they said, hey, we're thinking about doing this piece of hardware for a collection. I immediately looked at the hardware and told the designer, I said, the hardware already exists. We did it back in the 50s for Paul Frankel. He was like, oh really? And I pulled it up on my phone and I showed it to him, and he was like, oh my God, that's it, it's incredible. So that is our iconic Bijou X pull. What we did was pulled this piece into our BK line, and we put it into our 3 most popular finishes. So what you have is the matte black, satin nickel, and the BGB. It's an absolutely stunning piece of hardware. What's great about this is it kind of hits on several notes as far as having that mid-century modern, but it's got this organic feel as well, because you have this movement in the feet. And that's something that we took and updated. So we didn't just go pull this old piece of hardware. We looked at how could we modernize that somewhat. So this piece, again, it's got a little bit of organic movement, so it kind of fits into that whole biophilia, where you can add some movement to the piece and still have this striking piece of hardware. That's a statement piece. That is a proclamation, guys. I promise you. Someone's gonna walk in and say, oh my gosh, where did you get that hardware